Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Education is Fun. In this video, we will learn about a speech on Teachers' Day. So let's start with it. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has rightly said that if a country is to be corruption free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly believe there are three key societal members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother and the teacher. Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers and all my beloved friends. Today we all have assembled here to celebrate Teachers' Day, and I would like to express my heartiest gratitude and respect for all my teachers. Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on 5th September to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a renowned scholar, recipient of Bharat Ratna, first Vice President and second President of independent India. Teachers' Day is celebrated globally on 5th October, whereas in India since 1965 onwards, we celebrate it on 5th September. When Radhakrishnan became the President of India, some of his students and friends requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday on 5th September. Radhakrishnan replied, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day. Since then, 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day." Teachers are the makers of a nation. They are the guiding lights. Teachers shape the destiny of a student by guiding them and are the reason behind the successful career of a student. Teaching is the profession from which comes all the other professions. Our first teacher is our parents. They are our teachers at home who teach us how to live and succeed in life, and our school teachers who teach and guide us in our interest and encourage our professional inclination. Today is the day to honor them all in a small way. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, one of the finest scientists and most importantly a great teacher of the country, says, "The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skills and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers." Appreciating teachers is so important because the work they do is selfless and often undervalued for their contribution, and teachers are the ones who play a major role in shaping the minds of the next generation. I would like to thank all my teachers that we are fortunate to have been blessed with such wonderful teachers like you all who are always up for grooming us into the finest individuals. We pray for your well-being and success and shower immense respect today and always. So guys, I hope you have learned something from this speech. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.